Wait. Hey, is that my sister? No, that's a truck.
Oh, they're not like waving at me. Oh, come on! It's not fair!
The little roll didn't even wave at
It's so
you.
not fair! What are you looking at, my nose? Come on, I want a freaking wave!
What? It's freaking cold!
Hold on.
Natasha, you want to start a wave? Come on! No,
Go.
a wave! Oh, come on.
Wait, go. Ew.
Alright,
Oh, car,
your turn.
Car. Which one are they turning? Oh, they're turning. Stop fucking looking! Wave or honk your horn! Oh, they're...
Trying to build a prison.
Oh!
He flipped you off!
No, he didn't.
I know.
Oh.
Okay, bye. I'm going with the camera, y'all. Bye, y'all.
Wait, you got that.
Come again!
No,
Get the cars. Where are they going?
Nearly 2 million Americans are incarcerated in the prisons. The prisons are where you're at.
Who's that?
Her brother.
I was going to say boyfriend.